If Hogwarts Legacy is lagging, these low graphics settings will help. Check my video description for this mod link. Scroll down and go to Files tab. Under Config Files, select the manual download option and select the slow download option and it will start downloading. If you are new to the site, then you need to log into the site, guys. After that, it will start download. After the download done, select this folder icon, right click on the downloaded file and select WinRAR and select open with WinRAR. And then just close stuff here and press in keyboard Windows key and R key together and type here percentage local app data percentage again and click on OK. And find Hogwarts Legacy. Just double click on the Hogwarts Legacy folder. Double click on the saved folder. Double click on config and double click on Windows No Editor. Do this like left and right. This is the mod we downloaded. Before drag and drop the mods, you need to back up these two files, engine.ini and game user settings. These both files just copy and paste it in another location. I'm gonna paste it in desktop and then go back to the Windows No Editor folder and then just drag and drop these files inside and select the replace the file in the destination. And now just close stuff here and launch the game. Hope this fixed the lag. Like and subscribe for more PC fixes.